Make a great choice today with the 2018 Q7. Elegant, functional, nimble, and the list goes on. It is impossible to limit the attributes of the Audi Q7 to just a few and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic moonroof, premium wheels, electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power moonroof, speed control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.